This is the fastest way to make people like you, and nobody talks about it. The more you try to impress people, the faster you lose them. Sounds crazy, right? But think about it. You overthink what to say. You try to act perfect. You try too hard to be liked. And somehow it pushes people away. Because people don't like you for being perfect. They like you for how you make them feel. That's the real game. So if you want people to naturally like and respect you, you need to understand this. First, match their energy. Not copying like a robot, but syncing with their vibe. If they're calm, you stay calm. If they smile, you smile. And without realizing it, their brain starts thinking, this person is like me. And that's where connection begins. But here's where it gets interesting. People don't like you because you're amazing. They like you because you make them feel amazing. Read that again. Second, make people feel important. Use their name. Listen like it actually matters. Pay attention to small things. Because most people don't listen, they just wait for their turn to talk. Be different. Make people feel heard, and they'll remember you. Now, here's something most people ignore. Some people feel invisible every single day, and the moment you make them feel seen, you become different in their life. That's powerful. Third, stop being fake. Fake personalities don't build real respect. When you're real, you don't need to impress anyone. And that confidence, it attracts people automatically, because real always stands out. So remember this, don't try to impress people. Don't try to be perfect. Instead, match their energy, make them feel important, and stay real. That's how you build a personality people respect and never forget. Now do this. Try this on just one person today and watch how their behavior changes towards you. Then come back and tell me, did it work or did it shock you?